is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Welcome to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, I'd love to warmly welcome you for my day ones. You know what we do, yeah? Thanks so much for actually being a part of this, being a part of my growth, being a part of my life, and being a family all together. I thank you. If you're watching from the sidelines, why not join? If your kind of content, you're into fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, baby girl, even our guys out there, like, we don't discriminate. Everybody's welcome here. If you're a guy, you can totally join us and be a part of a family. And as for the title, you know, if you F with me, I definitely F with you, and therefore we are a crew. Yes, that part. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And I just want to show you, as for the title today, we're actually doing an individual eyelash in store by yourself. Like, how cool is that? Like, you get to actually install your own lashes at home, guys. Save you some coins, baby. Save you some coins. You actually learn. I'm going to be teaching you how to install. So this is how they look like. But yeah, let's jump right into it and get the juice. Yeah, let's get the tea. I literally just washed my face. I'm just drying it out. Okay, like you can see, like basically everything is nicely fresh and clean, so you need to actually wash your face before actually you do that. And I haven't quite put anything on my face, but you can go ahead and just moisturize it, since I'm doing this at night. So I'm going to be moisturizing with my aloe moisturizing oil. So now that our face is actually moisturized, I'm gonna go in and just let you guys see what exactly we're gonna be needing for this classic eyelashes install. Yeah, the reason why I love this individual classic lashes is because they look so real and natural. And I wouldn't advise, if you really like to put makeup on a daily, to actually do this, because you're gonna have a lot of build up with your eyeshadow, with the fallout of your eyeshadow and your makeup and whatnot. So I'd prefer putting on individual eyelashes, or should I say the classic eyelashes, when you actually kind of decide to go more on a natural look. You know, like, you're not putting too much eyeshadow. You can put makeup the rest of your face, like foundation and whatnot, but I actually advise you to actually not really put heavy eyeshadow and whatnot, because it's going to cause a build-up, and that in turn might cause infection. So let's go into what we're going to need. We're going to need this tweezer right here. So your tweezer, that's number one. We're going to be using this just to pick the individual eyelashes. And then of course you're going to need this just to straighten out your lashes. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. And of course you're going to need a spoolie. You're going to be needing a spoolie, one spoolie. And last but not the least, we're going to be using our actual lashes, and I'm using 8mm. I'm going in just with one size, but sometimes what I love to do is I love to put maybe like a 12 on the middle, then 8 in the sides, or 6, and like that. I'll balance off these ends like my tear duct, and just right at the corner of my eye I'll use a shorter length, and then on the middle I'll actually use a longer length, but for today we're just going to go all around with one. Yeah, so this is basically what we're going to be using, just one. And yeah, let me just make sure I moisturize my hands first of all. Okay, so just kind of I'm just moisturizing my hands, and we're gonna jump into it. Oh, and of course I forgot, you're gonna be needing a mirror, and I'm gonna be using this mirror just right here so I can see what exactly I'm doing. If not, if I can do it with the camera, I'll try my level best, but that will take longer than usual, but I'll try my level best to do what I can. So I'm just pouring a little bit of the lash glue onto this bead. You can find anything that you can actually put your glue on, and I've just picked up this lead from one of my staff indoor, and I'm going to be showing you this.
We're just brushing our eyelashes with a spoolie and then straightening them out with this I don't know what it's called, sorry guys, but yeah, just to make sure they're actually elongated and, you know, separated and stretched out. So we're gonna do this on both sides of our eyes, both the right and the left of course, and then go in again with our spoolie and just, you know, kind of separate those bristers. And there's a close-up of what exactly they look like after what we actually did. Okay, and there we go, we're just about to start, and there's a first lash. You picked it up, I don't know if you can see that, and just install it like right below your, you know, your liner there, your wet line, just below the eye there, so that it seems seamlessly flawless and just blends in with your actual eyelashes. And take precision guys, so you take one at a time, and there you go. My camera didn't seem to focus, but you can see what exactly I mean, hopefully. And then you just dip that in the glue after taking the individual eyelash. Just dip it slightly, just the tip of it, as you can see. Dip it slightly, about 1 or 2 dips or more depending, and just press it on slightly. And then you want to take the end of your tweezer and just actually make sure it's placed in place and just kind of press it in, and that's how it's looking like right now.
Okay, so I'm done doing this other part. So you can see, I don't know if you compare, I've kind of zoomed in just to make you guys compare the two eyes. I don't know if you can quite see this. This is the one without the lashes, this left eye, and then this right eye is the one filled in with the lashes. Yeah, and then what I want you to do is leave this part. You see this part from about that part to the tear duct, I didn't put any because I want it to look kind of like a little bit, you know, natural-ish. You can go ahead and fill, if there are any gaps that you feel you can fill, please go ahead and fill them up. So this is how exactly we're looking. I hope this was helpful, and yeah, now from afar, like a normal size, this is how we're looking. And if I was to go in, that's it. This is undone, this is done, this is undone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this other side off camera, and then I'm gonna come and let you guys have a look at it, and you let me know what exactly you think. This is what we're looking like. We're loving it. And I just wanted to show you guys like how exactly you pick, and you actually hold your tweezer, this way, and then when you're picking you just focus. I just want to see if I can show you this part. Then pull it, and you can actually put several like on your palm just to make the process more easier. Not on your palm, but the back of your palm, like that. So you can put several like that. So if you want to be quick, you can put several of them, and then pick it up, like pick them up one by one, like so. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah. And just dip that in there, not too much. And then what you want to do is just fit it. So what you want to do is actually just put it right close to that ridge there, like on close to it, and just tap it with the tip of the back of your tweezers, like so. And then this part from the tear duct to somewhere there, leave these, don't put anything there for a more natural look. But if you want them to seem a bit heavy, you can put in more, but I've decided I want them to look realistic as possible, so this is what I opted for, and I hope you love it. Please do show me love in the comments below. Let me know if this video was helpful at all. If you're not part of the family, do enjoy the family. If you did, of course, enjoy this video, because we going to share more content of the sort. And if you watch it to the end, thank you so much, guys, for 100+ subscribers. Thank you so much. And yeah, I want to road to 200 subscribers, so make sure you share this video. Somebody that you think can be inclined to this kind of content, tell a friend to tell a friend, and just share it, and let's grow the family. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. This has been Rucci. Bye.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's